Carla here, and in today's video I'm going to do a room tour slash how to decorate a small room, I guess, and use as much of the space as possible, and give some tips and tricks. And really, without further ado, I guess let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the door to my room. Just gonna head in, and as you come in, there's just on the wall my calendar and this to-do thing. I've not got anything on it right now, but it's so cute because it's got these llamas. Then you can clip things on it. Here's the back of my door. It's pretty bad, but I've got my dressing gown, Grumpy Cat, and then this Mickey Mouse onesie, my River Island handbag. So this is my wardrobe. This one's for filing, just like certificates, etc., exam results. My makeup bags. What's in this one? But let's have a look in here. So this is all dresses. Then I've got my kimono. Then we've got some dungaree, pinafores, some tops. This one's really nice. T-shirts, tops again, crop tops, and my Hollister crop tops, and some clothes. And then in here we've got backpacks. The lighting is absolutely terrible, but hats and scarves and gym wear. And then this drawer cannot open very well because it breaks. Leggings, jeans, skirt. I have to lift it up. That did not sound good. It's so heavy it broke. Okay, underwear, bikinis, etc. This is a bit of a mess, but it works. Furry, cozy jumpers. My cropped kind of jumpers. Zippy tops. My Lion King one. T-shirts, bodysuits, bandeau tops, vest tops, pyjamas. Basic. Alright, where are we at? Here, desk area. Right. So I've got my TV, my soundbar, and my multiple collection of Sims games. I have many Sims games in here. If anybody is interested in seeing my collection, I'll maybe do a video on that someday. And then I've got my karaoke machine, DVD player, just general, my pup chaos. A really dead plant because I overwatered it. Diary or notepad thing. This is probably my favourite part. Okay, I'm really not being given very good tips, but I'll go back on give tips. So this is just like a basic shelf. So I've got this succulent plant in a terrarium thing from Asda, and this is from Tesco. Cute animal. And this is actually in pictures I took, but I printed them off. And it's me and my best friend Anya. And then I got this cute cactus lamp. I'll turn it on. This is also Asda. I really want to get a flamingo that's pink though to replace it, because the green doesn't really work, I don't think. But I'm not sure. It's taken me a while to get it to how I want, but there's still one thing I need to change, which is this light. Because I feel like this is too grey, so yeah, that's that. And then also I'm getting rid of this, and this. I'm getting rose gold makeup brush holders. And then here's just my leather jackets, bomber jackets, denim jackets, furry jackets, hooded tops, and some tops. In this cupboard here, I've got my seasonal stuff. Summer clays, holiday clays, Halloween costume. These good trusty Christmas jumpers, umbrella, etc. Cute. And then just a bunch of jewellery and stuff in here. My metal straws. It's kind of just boring stuff in my sweeties. And this is kind of just basic vanity. This is kind of cluttered, but it'll work. So makeup. I might do a full tour of this, but this is basically it. Primers, foundations, concealers, powders, contours, blush, highlighters, eyebrows, eyelashes, mascaras, eyeliners, palettes, and my eyeshadows. And that's a basic. And if you want a full tour of that, I'll do that. And in here, basically every other product I own. And it's kind of just like a super drugstore. So I'm just going to give you some tips on how to decorate your small room now if you have one. What you want to do is utilise the space you have. So what I did was I got this desk from Amazon, and I actually cut this down. Well, my granny did. So that it would fit beside this massive wardrobe, and it kind of fits along one wall now. So you don't have to have a different position or something. And it's definitely worth getting shelves, because you can like put up pictures and more plants and get a better aesthetic. Worth for everything getting boxes and boxes and boxes for storage. Because I have that under my bed, helps loads. My room, as you can see, is painted white and grey. And because it's such a small space, that helps it a lot become bigger. Like, besides if you had it black, that would just make it tiny. And like having the pink accent as well really helps. And the plants and pink candles and everything, it really helps just lift the whole aesthetic and make it nicer. So I definitely recommend just neutral colours if you're gonna try and transform your small space. And I am planning to paint this white too. And pillows as well, they're really good. So thanks for watching the video. Comment any ideas you have down below. Subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!